What's going on, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, and I haven't even heard much talk about GameStop. What the heck is going on, man? Like watching paint dry, right? Jeez. So, like I said, I made it it was like a video like a week ago. I was like, yeah, this thing is going to be very boring, and wow, it's predicted literally how I said it was the last week ago. Literally strong support here in a range bound. Nothing's going to happen as you have the top here, and it's just literally diddly daddling around, right? It hits the low here, and then right in here is kind of the low. It kind of just wicked it a little bit, and then we went up, and that's all that's going to happen, right, guys? So this is GameStop. I'm not really sure. Did even Roy and Kitty post anything? I don't even seem to check. I don't even think it really matters at this point, right? I think it's more, really it's not even him that's really controlling this. A lot of the institutions are behind this, as you can see, because what he did is live stream, like I believe it was right here on this big candle here, and just went plummeting down. Or is it on this one? I believe it was this one. Who knows? But either way, it went plummeting down, and it's just been like that ever since. So let me tell you guys my strategy, where I like to play it. Obviously, I am a safer type of player. I get big. I do the best probabilities. If there's no trade, I don't take it. And you guys know a lot of, and people are just watching this. Welcome. This is the band strategy. This strategy will win you over 95% of your trades with facts, with a journal that I show, and you guys know it. I show all my trades. If you guys want to know what trade I'm in, I show it all. I was just in a couple trades, and my goal is to make 50% on swing trading strategies. I have a day trading strategy, and my goal is to make obviously more because that's day trading. And but yeah, my purpose of this video is just to show you guys where we're at. I predicted exactly what we're at. We're stagnant. We're not doing anything. As you can see, we are under the EMA 20, which is more of a bearish signal. That means price can't get above it, and what happens is price tends to keep going down. We can get above it at any time, but you never want to make your entries above it here. I'll tell you guys where to make the entries, and everybody, I made videos on here. I was like, get out of the GameStop, get out of like, this thing's way above it. This is risky, and guess what happens? Price comes tumbling down, algos to a T. You can't make this up. This is not Roy and Kitty. They touch the EMA 5. They have to do it, and they do it in a very short amount of time. Does it decide to bounce from that? Who the heck knows? But it certainly can, and that's what happens. And then we come tumbling down hitting the 5, 10, and the 20. And when you're oftentimes below the EMA 5 for quite some distance, look what happens, guys. We shoot up into the EMA 5, hitting it, and then we go a little bit past it. The algos wanted to lure in retail traders. You might think it keeps going, and then it goes back down. So now what we have here, if you guys don't know, the EMA 5 is this purple band, the 10 is the yellow, and then the 20 is the light blue. The EMA 5 is now at the very lowest, and the 10's the second, the 20, just like how usually the downtrends occur. When you're in the uptrend, you see the EMA 5 at the highest point, and as you can see, price is respecting that. So I called GME multiple times throughout my Discord, and throughout my videos here. As you can see, one of my best callouts was right in here that met the system. We were at the lower band, ATR 4. I love this because it was an A+ setup, right? You at the lower band on a bigger price stock. That means it's more valuable, more likely to do what you think it's going to do. We had time distance not hitting the 20, the 10, and guess what happens? We shoot up from there. I also like GME before the biggest rally ever happened, and that's mainly because of the time distance. When you ever see this on a downtrend stock of not hitting the 20, the 10, and you're under the EMA 5, you look to make the nice returns, and that's what happens here. For this right here, it's very boring. Nobody's wanting it, but I will say, why not take the price under the EMA 5 with time distance? As you can see, when you're under the EMA 5, we shoot up to it. Why not? You would never take the price when it's just like this, right? Because it could go further down. How far down we can go, who's to say? This is not really an A+ setup in trade I would honestly take. I don't know. I think Roy and Kitty's down now over his average, so that's very interesting. And he'll probably make money, and it's the same story. You get these big spikes in here when you least expect it, and then retail traders lose because they chase it. They don't see the system. They don't understand, like, whoa, we're close to this upper band. Why is it going down? People's like, why? Because it's hitting an ATR4. It can't sustain that, especially with a company like this. They're going to dilute. They're going to do the, the algos are going to change the things, and it's going to go tumbling down because it can, I try to make it super, super simple. What has happened in the past all the time? More often than not, 9 times out of 10, when it hits an ATR4, it goes down. Yes, it can go up like this and make a surging candle, but this is so rare. Even in the GameStop rally in 2020, I looked at it. This is an ATR of 8. Yes, congrats. It's done that literally. This is like the 3rd time I've seen in history a stock done that. GameStop's done it. FFIE has done it. But that's, you can't base your trades based on hope, thinking that it's going to hit an ATR of 8. That's your average true range. This is like almost like, really, really rare. So when we get close to an ATR 4, this is usually gets shorted pretty bad. I do look to short if it goes way above here, and I use lower time frames to make money on that downside. But yeah, if we're looking to get in long, we need time distance away from the EMA 5. We're right on it, so we need to see a couple candles away from it. But as you can see, we're magneted to it. Yes, you can make quick money, like $23 to 25. Yes, there's a way to make quick money here and here, but yeah, you just gotta be frugal about it. Don't go all in on an ad, and just be patient. So that's my GameStop analysis. If you guys want to learn how to win consistently in the market and not trade based on emotions, FOMO, and you don't ever chase stocks, join the premium Discord. I am going to teach you guys how to make consistent money. I'm going to teach you guys how to be a profitable trader. And when you click the link down below, it says join the premium Discord to be a profitable trader. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do is hit server shop up in here, and you can see I offer swing trading plus and day in swing trading plus. Obviously, if you want the most access to everything, the day in swing trading plus is $12 a month, and you get access to all my services, and all these channels on the left will unlock. I'm going to teach you guys how to be a profitable trader. I'm more into making you how to fish instead of just giving alerts. Yes, I give alerts on my phone of so you can see, why did I take that trade? Well, it's because it meets the system criteria. So you can watch my education videos and understand, all this stuff is privately exclusive only to members, and a lot of this stuff is good information. It's very easy to learn. I think you're going to love it. I have an RTK journal to prove the win ratio of my trades and how do I keep consistently winning in the market. And yeah, you can see the swing trade alerts. They look like this. They're very nice. We just closed out SPCE. As you can see, we bought it. Limit order to buy it at 867, and I sold it today at 9.14, locking in over 5%. And it's just like that. Well, 1 day gain and just locking in the profits here, all the time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my GameStop analysis. If you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll release more content. And I do a lot of stocks. I like to do a lot of stocks that people like. But as for now, it's just a boring stock. There's really no swing trade I would get to. This is only my day trade section I would get into. If I see anything like drastic, yes, I could probably day trade it, and that's really about it. So if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the premium Discord. Peace out. Love you all.